Are you still manually creating Brevo contacts? Then watch this video till the end, because in this video I have bought an automation by using which you can automatically create contacts for your Brevo account. So now let me firstly show you what I'm talking about and show you the real-time working of this automation. So here I'm on my type form where I'm going to provide the first name as demo, and the next I'm going to provide the last name as user, and here I'm going to provide the email as demouser@pabblytunes.com, and the next I'm going to provide the contact number, and here I'm going to provide the city. And now let's submit this form. So here you can see that my type form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Brevo account to check whether we are receiving a new contact over there with the same details or not. So right here I'm on the contacts page of my Brevo account, which I'm going to refresh, and here you can see that I'm successfully receiving this lead having the name demo user, the first name, the last name. So now you can see that I have successfully created this contact over my Brevo account as soon as the type form is submitted. So now you can also automate this contact creation process for the Brevo by just using one and only automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that can integrate thousands of applications, and not only these particular applications, by using which you can automate your entire business task and can save up a lot of your time. So now let me show you how you can create this automation. So for that, let's move on towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect. So right here I'm on the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by tapping its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over this sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in, and if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the workflow page. So right here we are getting this option for adding the trigger. And now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So triggers are first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my type form. And here I'm going to select my app event as new entry. Now let's click over this connect button, and right here we are on the connection page, where if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you just have to click over this add new connection button. Now let's connect with type form, and here I'm going to allow the access as my data is 100% safe with Pabbly. And as I have clicked over this accept button, my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting this field for selecting the form through which I want to receive my new lead. So here I will be using this form named as lead generation form. So here I'm going to select it from this drop down. So now let me search for it, and here I'm getting this form which I have selected. Now let's select the response format as simple and click over the save and send test request. And right here the status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now let's provide the webhook data by filling our type form. So here I'm going to copy the link of type form, paste over the new tab, and get my type form which I'm going to fill, providing the first name as test, last name as lead, email as testlead@pabblytunes.com, and the next I'm going to provide the contact number, and here I'm going to enter the city as Bhopal. And now let's click over the submit button, and here you can see that my type form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving this lead detail over there or not. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 8 seconds ago I have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which I have just filled over my type form. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app. And right here you can check out the email of the lead, the last name of the lead, and here you can check out its first name too. So this response consists of all the details of my lead. And now I'm going to create a contact over the Brevo for this particular lead. So here I'm going to select my action application as Brevo. So now let me search for it. And right here you can see that we are getting this application, so I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as create or update contact. And now let's click over this connect button. And here for building the new connection, we have to enter the domain and the API key. So for getting this domain and the API key, let's move on towards my Brevo account with me. So right here I'm on my Brevo account, where you can see that this is the domain required for building the connection. So you have to enter this domain over the Pabbly Connect over here. And now let's get the API key. So for getting this API key, you have to select this option of profiles, and here you have to select this option of settings. And right here on the settings page on the sidebar, we are getting this option for SMTP and APIs. And here we have to select this API keys and MCP. And right here we are on this page where I'm going to generate my API key. So I'm going to just select it, and now let's provide the key name as type form leads, and from here you can select the expiry. Now let's click over this generate button, and here you can see that this API key has been generated, which I'm going to copy and paste over the Pabbly Connect. So here I have entered it. Now let's click over the save button, and as I have clicked over the save button, my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting is for entering the email address. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type the email address like this. But no, I'm not going to do so, because here I'm going to map all these fields. And now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the email address from the response which I'm receiving from type form, as this is my previous application. And the process is simple. You just have to select the field and this slash symbol. And right here I'm getting the type form. So from its response, I'm going to map the email address of my lead, which can be seen over here. And now it is asking me, do you want to use email blacklisted? So I'm going to keep it as false. And here we are getting this next field which says, do you want to use SMS blacklisted? So I'm going to keep it as false again. And now it is asking me to select the list. So here I'm going to select the list as type form. And now we are getting this field for entering the last name. So here I'm going to map the last name from the response. And now let's map the first name as well. So here I have mapped it, and now we are getting these fields which are not necessary. So I'm going to just click over this save and send test request. And right here you can see that we are receiving this positive response with the ID. So now let's move on towards my Brevo account to check whether we are receiving this contact over there or not. And right here you can see that I'm on my Brevo account, where I'm successfully receiving this lead having the name test lead, and right here you can check out all its details. So now you can see that a contact is created over my Brevo for my type form lead. So now you can also automate this entire process by just using Pabbly Connect. And now you don't have to manually create contact over your Brevo, because this automation is going to do so. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box for your reference. So make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.